The Executive Officer with the American Society for Investigative Pathology is here with me now. William Coleman, thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome, thanks.
Talk with me a little bit about some of the diverse research of ASIP.
The members of the American Society for Investigative Pathology all work on things related to mechanisms of disease and disease pathogenesis, and now expanding into translational opportunities that come from the basic science research. And so really our members cover all of the major areas of disease focus, which would include inflammation and cancer and genetic diseases and developmental disorders. So really that's the common link between all of our members, is this interest in mechanisms of disease crossing all organ systems and different types of disease mechanisms.
It is so diverse, and you talk about these opportunities. What does being here give in a very special way in terms of paving the way for some of those opportunities?
Right, so here at this meeting, within our own scientific program, there's a representation and a reflection of this diversity of disease interest among our members, and so there's the opportunity for cross-fertilization between different fields and the opportunity for our members to see multidisciplinary approaches to different complex diseases, different sorts of model systems that you're able to use to study these diseases, different technical approaches and tools that people can use to manipulate their systems that they're working with. But then the huge advantage of being at experimental biology is the opportunity for our members to go and see work that's being done in other disciplines. Within our discipline of pathology, we have people that are trained biochemists and geneticists and physiologists and all those sorts of things, and so there's always common areas of interest with other societies that are included here at experimental biology, and so we really like the opportunity for our members to see our scientific program, but to also be able to participate in the scientific programs of the other societies. And then we also benefit in the reverse because the members of other societies will come and see our scientific program.
And how are you seeing some of that cross-pollination really be effective for promoting research?
Well, now, these days, everything is moving towards a team approach, a multidisciplinary approach. This is advantageous to the advancement of the science itself. It's also advantageous to funding opportunities for the research. And so I think everybody really values that, working in a silo, in a vacuum, is not the way to advance what's happening. And so we see lots of products of the meeting emerge through collaborations, new collaborations between institutions, between investigators, and then across the various disciplines. And this is all to the advantage of the advancement of the research, as well as to our individual members who are doing that work.
So in that vein, you talk about the benefit of being here, but it's not just here. No. It lasts well into the future and into the following year.
That's exactly right, and we recognize that we need to provide opportunities here at the meeting when we're face-to-face with people for them to really have that networking and interaction so that they can establish those relationships that then become distance relationships and collaborations that carry on throughout the year and for many years into the future.
The advancement of the individuals and the advancement of science.
Exactly.
William Coleman, thank you so much.
Thank you.